All right, got the free parking. Spring skiing out here is gonna be so good. Oh yeah, Steamboat.
Let's see what this drop is about. Oh yeah.
So we're dipping out of Steamboat Springs right now in Colorado, heading west, going to Utah. I think the plan is to get to Park City tonight, and yeah, let's see how it goes, see where the wind takes us. We're at here at the point of interest. I'm always interested. Check out Mount Harris. Got this old.
I ain't trying to hear the negative. No, I'm just trying to change the narrative. Hell, it's simply imperative that we all have a damn good time. I'm getting them good vibes. I'm living this good life. I'm breathing on God's time. And I ain't gonna waste one breath. I'm soaking it all up. I got me a full cup. Ain't nothing gonna spill it, nothing gonna kill it. Waving them words goodbye. I'm feeling them good vibes. Oh, I'm feeling them good vibes. I got a good girl, she got a good smile. I kiss her good morning, I kiss her good night. We keep it on the up, that's how we get down. So don't be coming around if she got them good vibes. I'm living this good life. I'm breathing on God's time. And I ain't gonna waste one breath. I'm soaking it all up. I got me a full cup. And there ain't nothing gonna spill it, nothing gonna kill it. Waving them words goodbye. I'm feeling them good vibes. I'm breathing on God's time. And I ain't gonna waste one breath. I'm soaking it all up. I got me a full cup. And there ain't nothing gonna spill it, nothing gonna kill it. Waving them words goodbye. I'm feeling them good vibes. Oh, I'm feeling them good vibes. Yeah.
She was a girl on a wagon train, headed west across the plain.
Up here at the top of Alta, just hiked up a little bit. This is my first time here, so I don't really know where I'm going, but everything has been super nice.
And then she saw him riding through the rain. He took charge of the wagons and he
That was
said,
nice.
train. She looked down and her heart was gone. Train went west and she stayed on.
This is why Alta is so sick. Just look at these huge mountains.
A farmer's daughter with
All right, well, wrapping up here outside the gold miner's daughter, heading west. So heading to Tahoe. Let's go. Stay tuned and get
Loved
stoked.
the man who wore a star, a Texas Ranger known near and far. So they got married and they had a child. But times were rough and the West was wild. So it was no surprise the day she learned that her Texas man would not return.
Lake Tahoe, baby.
To Lonesome Dove.
Hey, it's beautiful.
Back to back with the Rio Grande, a Christian woman in the devil's land. She learned the language and she learned to fight, but she never learned how to beat the lonely night. In Lonesome Dove, Lonesome Dove. watched the boy grow into a man.
Check it out, panning for gold.
He had an angel's heart and the devil's hand.
There it is.
He wore a star for all to see. He was a Texas lawman legacy. Then one day word blew into town. It seemed the man that shot his father down and robbed a bank in Jericho.
Go check out this waterfall.
The only thing between them and Mexico was Lonesome Dove. The shadows stretched across
Check
the
this
land.
out. Came out to the old Olympic torch and it's
As the shots
burning.
rang out down the Rio Grande. When
Top of the
smoke
Palisades,
clouds
let's do it.
cleared the
Dropping.
street. And they at the Rangers
Oh no, Steve!
and legend tells to this very day, the shots were coming from an alleyway, but no one knows who held the gun. There ain't no doubt if you ask someone in Lonesome Dove. Back to back with the Rio Grande, Christian woman in the devil's land. She learned the language and she learned to fight, but she never learned how to beat the lonely night.
Here at Deer Valley. It's really been one of the gems of this icon
In
past trip I did.
Lonesome Dove.